Something a little different today for those of you looking for simple household tips and quick, delicious snack ideas. This is a recipe that is guaranteed to surprise you and make your mouth water. Bacon and banana sandwiches, they are easy, they are tasty, and they are ready in minutes. If you are serving for people, here is what you'll need: 12 large slices of white or brown bread, some butter, 3 medium-sized bananas, mashed, 12 rashers of grilled bacon, a sprinkle of grated cheese if you want to add a rich, savory kick. Start by grilling your bacon until it's nice and crispy. While that is cooking, mash up your bananas in a bowl until smooth. Spread butter on each slice of bread. Then layer on the mashed banana, add the crispy bacon, and sandwich them together. From here, cut each of your 6 sandwiches into 2 halves, or for smaller snack-sized pieces if you're serving at a party or a gathering. For an extra twist, try lightly toasting your bread before assembling, or drizzle a little honey over the banana before adding the bacon. The mix of sweet and savory flavors really takes it up a notch. You can also swap white bread for whole grain if you want a healthier option. And that's it. A quick, tasty snack that is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a late-night bite. If you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more simple household tips and easy cooking ideas. See you next time!